So one of the most sought after courses here, yes, you are reading it right, Financial Management ICAI Study Mat Question Discussion Series. Welcome to KSJ Teaching, guys. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on all the important notifications that we come up with. So what is this series all about? Let's see. After the successful run of the Cost Accounting ICAI Study Mat series, lots and lots of students had been requesting me for this Financial Management ICAI series as per the updated May 2022 module. So here we are with the series, but listen to it very carefully and watch the video till the end, because you are going to get very knowledgeable resources out of it, right? You are going to get immensely benefited from this series. As of now, what we have come up with is, we have come up with the module 1 of it, right? Module 1, all the chapters, ratio analysis, cost of capital, capital structure and leverages. All the 4 chapters we have covered and updated as per the new module of the May 2022. Okay, all the questions are covered, in-depth discussion is there. Sir, are the concepts also covered in this series? No, the concepts are just touched upon so that you are able to understand the questions. That's it, right? Another important thing is, this whole course is going to be in English, so that the people from the southern part of India who are not able to understand Hindi, they can also subscribe to this course and take the benefit of it. Right, many students who were there on the app, they have already subscribed to it and taking the benefit of it. Sir, what about module 2? We are working on the module 2 and we promise that we will come up with very soon, right? But module 1 was all available, all the chapters were done, all the recordings were done, so we made it available so that you can start with your studies. You can start with the module 1 and do not have to wait for the longer period of time, right? The price is 649, that is only for module number 1. Right, that is only and only for module 1. Now, how to subscribe to this course? You can scan this QR code and download our Android or iOS app, right, as per your preference. I'll just give you the brief how to download the apps. For the Android app, you just have to search for KSJ Teaching on the Google Play Store. But for the iOS app, what you have to do is, you have to download My Institute app. You have to download My Institute app, and after that it will ask for the organization code. Your organization code is HMRPY, right? So you have to enter this. After this, you will be able to access all our courses. And guys, all those who want to join the cost accounting, also the cost accounting ICISM series, or the all-rounder course, all the fast track course, right? All the courses are available there. Just go and check it out. And I tell you one thing, I guarantee you one thing, that each and every course is going to add a lot of value to your preparation for May 2022 attempt. You still have approximately 1 to 1.5 months, right? So you can add lots and lots of value through these courses. Financial Management ICISM series is there, Cost Accounting ICISM series is there, Cost Accounting Fast Track is there, along with the hard copy of the books. Cost Accounting All-Rounder courses there, covering ICISM, RTPs, MTPs and previous year questions. So all those things are already available. All the recordings are done. All the content is available to you people, right? And this is definitely going to be a very special series. Financial management in English, because a lot of people were asking for the conceptual part also in English, but because of some reasons we are not coming up with the conceptual part as of now. But this series is also going to benefit you. Even if you have not done the concepts in depth, you will get a lot of insights through this series. We'll be marking the important questions. I'll be telling you the alternate techniques. So a lot of things I'm going to discuss in this series. Module 1 is completely available, not even a single recording is pending. It is fully updated on the mobile app, right? And I have given you the links. All the links are given in the video description also. You can just go there, download the app and enjoy this course. Go guys, subscribe quickly, right? The price is not much. Module 1 is completely available. Language is completely English, updated as per May 2022 module. So what else do you need? What are you waiting for? Just go for it, right? The quality, no doubt about it, right? You will get the best content at the most affordable prices here. This is my promise to you people, right? And we'll soon be coming up with the conceptual part also. And just tell me in the comment section, how are your preparations going on? How are you prepared for it, right? Already many students, thousands of students have got benefited from the costing ICISM series, and in the last attempt, FM complete ICISM series was available, right? So a lot of students scored the exemptions using that. So you can also score that. If they can score that, why not you? isn't it? So guys, go for it, and all your queries will be answered. If you have any other queries, you can email us at ksjteaching@gmail.com, or you can submit your questions on the mobile app also. Right? So see you guys. All the best for your preparation, and tell me in the comment section how your preparation is going on. Quickly tell me, so that we can help you with the further things if we can. Right? So all the best, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.